Hey guys, what's up? We're in Dubai. I'm in the desert. This episode will begin far away from the city. No, I'm joking. We're here at the Dubai show. Look behind me. Some of you who've been at the show before will know the show has moved this year. So come on, let's go inside. Let's go see what this new location is all about. Let's go make some friends. So yes, those of you who are familiar with the Dubai boat show will recognize that the location behind me is completely brand new, and that's correct. They've built an entire new marina behind me. Basically out of nothing, they've created this incredible facility that houses water toys, big super yachts, an art gallery, food stalls, everything that you want from a boat show is here. And I think personally they've done an excellent job at getting this done. What I like about the Dubai boat show is it takes place just a couple of kilometers away from the center of the city of Dubai, which is one of the coolest cities in my opinion. And it brings together some of the craziest tenders and toys, absolutely mental supercars, some of the world's biggest super yacht builders, and the craziest parties. But what I like most about the Dubai boat show, and what is completely different to any of the other boat shows, is that it starts at 3 o'clock in the afternoon and it ends around 9. So you can take a break in the morning, get some work done, and then come to the show and have a few drinks and meet some new people.